is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll execute a program in Eclipse IDE to understand the concept of arithmetic operators in Java, how they are used and how they can generate output by using arithmetic operators in Java. So let's switch to we'll click on this button, Java project, and type name of the project as working with arithmetic operators. Click on the next button, then click on the finish, type the name of the module as program, click on the create button, and then we'll right click on it, delete it. We have been doing it a couple of previous programs. Go to this src, right click on the src folder, go to the new option, click on the class and the name of the class as program. Click on the public static void main string method. So here we'll give the description of this program as working with arithmetic operators. Here you can see the class program. Under this will create a static void. And the name of the method we're going to use is ARI operator, which is used for arithmetic operators. And this class we will type integer I equal to 20 and j equal to 10, so we can declare multiple variables using in one line. Now we'll type integer sum equal to I plus j. We're going to make a calculator, so we will be performing multiple mathematical calculations like sum. Then we'll use subs for subtraction, and we'll type I minus j. Then we will apply for product, type PROD and use an asterisk operator. So you can see all these are arithmetic operators like this: asterisk, plus symbol, minus symbol. So I'm gonna type a command and type plus symbol is used as an arithmetic operator in this line, in line 5. Likewise, we'll copy this command and type over here. Minus symbol is used as an arithmetic operator in line 6. And then asterisk symbol is used as an arithmetic operator in line 7. Likewise, we'll type integer div for division, and we'll type I divided by d, and then give same command like we are giving above, and type / symbol is used as a division. In line 8. Likewise, last one we will use modulus and type ramp, remainder operator, I modulus j, and type same command like above, and type modulus symbol is used as modulus, or you can call remainder arithmetic operator in line 9. Now we'll type I plus plus and then minus minus j. Now we'll use system dot out dot println for displaying the output on the screen, and in the first statement we'll type the sum as plus sum. Likewise we'll copy this line, paste over here and type the subtraction is plus subs. We'll copy over here and type the multiplication is prod. So whatever is stored in this, all these variables will be displayed on the screen by using the system.out.println statement. The division is plus div, and then remainder, or you can call modulus, is plus rem, name of the variable. Now we're gonna call this method in the void main method, so we'll just type the name of the method as ARIOPS by using the parentheses and semicolon, since we need to call this above method in the main method, so we always need to type semicolon right after the parentheses. So we'll click on the run button, run as Java application. So you can see the output on the screen. The sum of 29 plus 10 is going to enlarge the screen, output screen. The sum is 39, the subtraction is 19. So by subtracting the value 10 from 29 we'll get 19, and the multiplication is 290. Very simple, 29 into 10 makes 290. The division is 2, so if you divide 29 by 2, then 10 multiplied by 10 2 times 2 is equal to 20. So we will only see the quotient value, which is 2, since if you divide 29 by 10, then the remainder will always be 9, because 10 multiplied by 2 makes 20, so the remainder will be 9. So this modulus operator is always used to display the remainder on the screen, and this / is used to display the quotient on the screen while we perform any calculation. So that's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. This is how we can use arithmetic operators in Java programming language by using Eclipse IDE. So you can create a mini calculator using this program. This is how a computer calculator is made. You can give graphical representation as well by using Java, and then you can give buttons and colors, multiple. You can give shapes by using Java program. So this is a simple program in Eclipse. You can see the output. So these are the basic arithmetic operators used in a calculator. So you can, this program can also be called calculator. So thanks for watching, viewers.